to another weekly analysis of E-mini futures. We're looking into the NASDAQ 100 index futures slash NQ. May 6th evening, looking into the week of May 8th. Start with the calendar here. Nothing much on the calendar. We had the big event that was last week, Fed balance sheet. We can see some movement there, but not much, anything that I can think of. Going back to the daily, I have left the W to look at that, and I'll also left this moving averages. Nothing changes from that big squeeze that we're talking about, and I talked about last time there was a W in formation, but it really did not form right. It was been going sideways, and if you see in this small section here, it's been trying to break this area for a long time, and it has not broken it yet. It really tested that once, twice, three times, sold off four times. So 1334 is still a very big area. It needs to be broken. If that does not break, we're not really breaking out of this whole selling pressure here. And one thing that you could see here, that is the 50-day moving average. I think that's the 200 moving average, and that's the 100 moving average. We can confirm that's the 200 moving average, and that's the 100 moving average, and they are actually stacking up in the right. They did cross out, and they are stacking in the right. So with Apple's earning and NQ really pushing hard, and I'm thinking this resistance will be broken here. And yes, my bias is bearish, but NQ now my bias is bullish. NQ forms quite a bit of size of ES, so NQ may pull up ES, and hence I am doing a small size in my ES trading. I'm hoping that NQ takes this market up. Let's put the other level that we say pretty much 12,955, 952, 980, and if breaks that level, that's the consolidation has happening. And for how long? Let's confirm, and we can remove these studies now, and we really don't need it. Okay, so that's 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see a huge pin bar, basically heavy pressure to sell off, but buyers showed up and pushed back price. So far the sellers are really coming in, but buyers are holding. I need this level to be broken to confirm that the sellers are in control. As of now, yes, buyers are holding, but buyers have been trying to hold this area for now 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks. And what are the chances of buyers still being present there with 6 weeks of buying but still not able to break this 13,334? Quite small in my opinion. So in a daily, I would say in a daily chart, it seems that NQ is going to break through this because it's testing this multiple times. But on a weekly, I am thinking that, buyers had their chance, but they may lose now. So I'm not sure. I usually don't say this, but I'm not sure what the price action of NQ is. Hence, I am not in any kind of a position as of now in NQ. What I would like to see in NQ is that follow through on sellers on that big week of selling. They tried, they tested, they got rejected. So that tells me sellers showed up at this level and trying to push through that level. If they again show up and they start selling, then somewhere at this little bit lower, I would say 1320 or something like that, like somewhere like around here, I'll take a short and then target this area 12,955. Yeah, I know it's not much, but that's what I'm targeting in the first swing. And obviously if it breaks the retest of that, we know the levels. I'm not going to just gonna draw those levels pretty quickly, not gonna explain any of these. And one is here, I know that because I looked at the POCs right there, and then there is we can look at the levels in between there, and we'll just do a quick gap analysis also. So there is one gap here, that's another one there, and obviously there is one here right there, and this could be another level, but this actually went through pretty much, so it'll be a weak level, pretty weak level here. So I would say these would be the levels for me, but I am actually between this one and here. That's what I am interested. 12,955, 13,334. Not the exact levels. I have talked about them being zones. I'm actually interested in that and see what they do there. So hence I'll wait for the price action. Daily and weekly are giving me different views, and hence I want to see which way the market moves, and I will reset my bias to trade with the trend. As I have always said, trade with the trend, not against the trend, because if you trade against the trend, you're gonna lose your short. So that's all I had on this weekly analysis. So be careful, follow the price action, and trade with the trend. As always, keep your stop losses tight, your losses small, and a profit at large. Thank you for